Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy USDT using debit card on Binance mobile app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Binance mobile app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the home screen, tap Add Funds. This section allows you to manage how you deposit money into your account. Next, you'll see several options for adding funds. Tap Buy with Currency, which in my case is Buy with USD. This is the option that lets you use your debit card to make a purchase. Now you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. From that list, select USDT Tether. USDT is a stablecoin, meaning its value is tied to the US dollar. After selecting USDT, enter the amount you wish to buy in the input box. Once that's set, choose your payment method and select Card. Now it's time for the exciting part. Tap Add New Card to proceed. Here, simply add your debit card information and then click Confirm to buy USDT. You'll see a confirmation screen displaying the purchase details, including the amount and payment method. Once your payment is processed, the USDT will appear in your Binance wallet. And that's it. So that is how you can buy USDT using debit card on Binance mobile app. So that's all for this video. Thanks.